Hey guys, doing my first unboxing video here. I just got a Rough Country front bumper for the 2013 to 2018 Ram 1500s. As you can see, I just had them slide it at the location into the back off of the pallet. So let's see what we got here. It's packaged pretty nicely, a lot of straps. Sorry about that. I paused the video until I could get the main outer box opened up. Looks like it's packaged pretty well. Some styrofoam to hold the LED lights and brackets away from the bumper. Box is a little cockeyed, but I guess whatever. Well, let's see what's all inside here. So looks like some wiring kits, instructions, looks like it's going to be a bumper bracket maybe, or is it going to be one of the sets of light pods? This bumper does come with two sets of light pods and a 20-inch light bar as well. One of the sets of light pods, the Black Series is what they send. Comes with light covers, and I'm getting a new appreciation for people who do these videos using their camera one-handed. And actually getting video of everything. Feel pretty good and heavy, nice and stout. Gotta do the same thing, the other set with this box. this has got to be the 20-inch bar. Yep. Nice waterproof connectors, along with the wiring harness. Comes with the relays and everything on the wiring harness. The waterproof connector. There's a switch. Relay and the fuse are in there. I'm just going to cut that. Pretty nice and stout light bar as well. Got some Laminex that I purchased for covering the headlights and such. So this blue wrapped has got to be, oh yeah, that's got to be the mounting brackets with that kind of weight. Actually picked this up yesterday, but we've been having such cold weather, I didn't want to open this up yesterday. And we hit 37 today, so well, as I mentioned, this is my first unboxing, and I didn't notice that my camera stopped on my phone, so I thought I'd just organize stuff here and show everything that was in it. Instructions, a couple of brackets. These are the these triangles are the end pieces that go up underneath the headlights. Just a couple of wiring harnesses to split from one connection to two for both, so you can hook up both light pods. And this has got to be the park sensing package. Clamps for the front, bolt package, two very heavy duty mounts, and the bumper backside anyway. Comes powder coated. But I'm taking mine in. I'm going to have it Linexed, and I think I'm going to also have it painted to color match the truck. Bottom side.